Today I want to share with you a shrimp recipe that is stir-fried together with a scallion, ginger and garlic. Garlic, ginger and scallion, these three ingredients are very commonly used to stir-fry beef and chicken. Today I will substitute the chicken or the beef with seafood, that is shrimp. So if you want to have something that is different, I hope today's recipe will give you something that is unique and something that you like. Start by marinating the shrimp for about 10 minutes. And after that, stir fry the shrimp, saute the aromatics, and then make the sauce and then put all together. I'll start by marinating the shrimp by adding some salt, not too much, and also some pepper. Pepper will help to remove the fishy smell or the seafood smell. A little bit of light soy sauce for the flavor. Some wine to improve the flavor too. And some cornstarch. Then mix the shrimp together with all other ingredients. And lastly, add some oil to seal everything in. So I will leave it aside for about 10 minutes. Shrimp shouldn't be marinated for too long. If you marinate too long, the shrimp meat will start to get mushy. Alright, while marinating the shrimp, let's make the stir-fry sauce. This is oyster sauce. If you don't like oyster sauce, you can omit it and you can add more light soy sauce instead. So since I have the oyster sauce, I'll just add some, not too much, mainly for the flavor and savory. And this is dark soy sauce, mainly to improve the color. Also, I would like to add a little bit of sugar and also some wine. And a small amount of cornstarch. It helps to thicken the sauce and also helps the sauce to cling onto the shrimp. A little bit of water to constitute the stir-fry sauce. Mix all together and there we go. Alright, now we have the sauce ready and we have the shrimp already marinated. Now let's heat up some oil in the pan and pan fry the shrimp on both sides. So put this in. Just leave it there for a while over medium heat. Let it sear for a short while. And then turn it over to sear the other side. Once it changed color, I'll remove the shrimp. Then add some oil to saute the aromatics. Ginger. And then followed by the scallion sections. And then followed by the chopped garlic. When it turns aromatic, add the stir-fry sauce. And then followed by the cooked shrimp. Combine everything together over high to medium heat. And that's it. It's very simple and it's very flavorful. Look at it. This type of dish is very colorful, very savory, and it's best to go with steamed rice. Alright, this is going to be my lunch and it's so colorful, so tempting. And let me try one. Very, very crunchy and very deep flavor. The flavor of the garlic, ginger, and the scallion really come through. I've left the recipe in the description box below the video and also at the end of this video for your reference. So please try it out. Let me know the result. I'd really love to hear your comments about this recipe and how do you think about it. And please subscribe, tap the notification, give me a thumbs up. And I will see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.